everyone, this is Miss Coffee. Today we are going to go over one of our math choices from choice board number 4. You'll see the math choice that we're going to go over today at the bottom left. It says complete the Envision book page 148, number 7 through number 10, lesson 3-2, adding 3-digit numbers. After you're done with this, for enrichment, you'll either go to Greg Tang Math or Dreambox. This is what the Envision page looks like in your book, number 7 through number 10. So you'll see that these problems want you to do some different things, like draw a picture, use a number line, use base 10 blocks, draw pictures of base 10 blocks. So different things that these problems want you to do. So we're going to go over an example problem and show a couple of the ways that you can solve 3-digit problems. So our example, it says the aquarium has 379 fish in their largest fish tank. On Friday, the aquarium will receive 126 more fish to put in their largest fish tank. How many total fish will there be? So we're going to take the 379 fish that are already in the fish tank and add the 126 more fish that they're going to receive on Friday. So let's go ahead and take a look. I have 379 fish plus 126 fish. I am going to solve this 2 different ways. The first way is with my base 10 blocks. So to use my base 10 blocks, I need to know my place value. I'm going to add this, I'm going to represent this number first. So I need to know that this right here is my ones, this is my tens, and this is my hundreds. I'm going to go ahead and label this number 2. This is my ones, this is my tens, and this is my hundreds. So now that I know which base 10 blocks I'll need, I can go ahead and start. We're going to go over what our base 10 blocks represent. So if you have a 10 by 10 square, then it's going to represent 100. So this is going to represent your hundreds. If you have a long piece of just 10, that's going to represent your tens or just 10. And then if you have one small cube like this, that represents just 1. So these will be easy to count, your ones. I'm going to start with this number. I need 3 hundredths, so 1, 2, and 3. I need 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I need to make my 126. So I'm going to take 100, 2 tens, 10, 20, and I need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to count all of these together. I have 100, 200, 300, 400. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And now let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and trade these 10 ones for 1 10. So I have plus 10. Now let's count the rest of our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That leaves me with 400 plus 90 plus 10 plus 5. So we're going to add these together now that we've used our base 10 blocks. So 400 plus 90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 4, I'm going to bring that down because there's nothing to add. So when you're adding, make sure that your place value lines up. I'm not done yet. I still have another 10 and another 5 to add. If I know that I can catch my 10 and add 5, I can go ahead and count up. So catch my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now I can add 490 plus 15. So I'm going to write 490 plus 15. Line up my place value, my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this extra 1 makes an extra 100. So I'm going to carry it over to my hundreds. So I'm going to write a 0 here and carry that 1 over there. Now I have 1 plus 4. So the answer I get is 505. That's what I've got with using my base 10 blocks. We're going to use another strategy to double check our work. I'm going to solve this problem with just using standard addition. So to help me out, I'm going to draw a place value chart. I'm going to start with my ones, and I need my tens and my hundreds. And I want to add these together. So I'm going to start with my bigger number on top, 379. So I made sure that my place value is lined up there. And then I'm going to add my 126. I'm going to start adding here in the ones place like I always do. You always start here. I'm going to add 9 plus 6. So if I catch my 9, I'm going to count up 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, but I have 15 here and I can only write 1 digit. So I'm going to write my 5 here and take my 1 up here. I'm going to carry it to my tens. Now I have 1 plus 7 plus 2. I'm going to start here. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. And again, I can't write 2 digits here, so I'm going to write my 0 and my 10 and carry my 1. Now I have 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. When I solved with my base 10 blocks, I got 505. And when I used this standard equation, I also got 505. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you when you're solving your 3-digit addition problems. See you next time.